Hi friends, welcome to Jupiter's collection. My name is Kavita and I'm from Mumbai. I have some rare case coins for you all today. Let's start. Nehru 50 paise, Calcutta Mint, Hindi legend, UNC 100, English legend 200, Grow More Food, Mumbai Mint. This is a test mark one. You can see here the test mark is there in the middle of trying to show you the test mark. See here, this is a test mark here. This is for only 300 rupees, UNC condition. And normal one is there. This also UNC condition, only for 200. Nehru Mumbai Mint, English legend, UNC condition, 50 paisa 200. Railways Mumbai, BU condition, 200. 82 Kolkata Dabbo coin BU 200. Indira Gandhi BU Mumbai Mint 50 paise 100. Kolkata BU 100 rupees each. You can see mild rotation also there. 2000 Noida 5 rupees. 200. 95 Noida 100. AUNC condition, Hyderabad Mint, Food and Environment, very scarce coin, only for 300. Quit India Mumbai Mint, BU condition, for 300. 76 single mint, 10 paise, Calcutta Mint coin, only for 300, UNC condition. BU Plant Family Mumbai Mint 200. Commonwealth Noida Mint BU 200. 2006 Noida Single Mint UNC condition 300. 2002 BU condition Noida Mint 300. Shivaji Maharaj Mumbai Mint UNC condition 200. Supreme Court Mumbai Mint BU condition 300. Rural Woman Hyderabad Mint BU condition, very scarce coin, only for 500. Arbindo Noida UNC condition for 300. K for Girl Child Hyderabad Mint, extra fine condition 300. Food and Work Mumbai Mint BU condition 300. Happy Child Hyderabad Mint UNC condition 500. This comes with a mild luster. Santa Tukaram Noida Mint UNC condition 300. Noida Mint. 67 Calcutta Mint, scarce coin 200. Kamaraj Hyderabad Mint UNC condition 200. Jai Prakash Narana Hyderabad Mint BU condition 200 rupees each. Food and Shelter Hyderabad Mint UNC condition for 400. Asian Games Hyderabad Mint BU condition 300. Rainfed Farming Mumbai Mint UNC condition 300. Shama Prasad Noida Mint UNC condition 300. Small Farmer Mumbai Mint BU condition 300. United Nation AUNC condition Mumbai Mint 300. Dandi March Mule for 100 rupees. Happy Child BU condition, Hyderabad mint, very scarce, almost like a rare only, you don't find this in Hyderabad mint, 700 rupees. Dadabai Nauroji Mumbai mint, BU condition, 400. Small Family Mumbai mint, BU condition, 500. Tamil Conference Noida mint, BU condition, 600. And there is one Mumbai mint BU condition, this is for 500. If you take a set, 1000 rupees. You want single, then price is written. Veer Durgadas Hyderabad mint, BU condition, 400. Food and Environment Noida mint, UNC condition, 600. Cellular Gel Noida mint, AUNC condition, 300. Very scarce coin, you don't get so easily. Subhash Chandra Bose Mumbai mint, UNC condition, 700. 1967 Mumbai mint, extra fine condition, 900. This is a rare coin. One more is there, 67B. This is for 700. If you want both, you can take for, how much is this, 1600. You can take for 1300 rupees both, 300 discount if you take both. Save for Development Kolkata mint, UNC condition, 400. Youth Year Mumbai mint, UNC condition, 400. Biodiversity BU condition Mumbai mint, 400. ILO Noida mint, UNC, 700. Quit India Movement UNC Kolkata mint, very scarce coin, this is for 500. One more is there, this is for 400. Youth Year Kolkata mint, UNC condition, 500. Shama Prasad Mukherjee BU condition, Kolkata mint, 600. Youth Year UNC condition, Kolkata mint, but this is the variety, clear lion variety, you can see the lion, 1000 rupees. ILO Mumbai mint, UNC condition, 800. Water for Life Hyderabad mint, UNC condition, 1000 rupees. See the clear mint mark. World Food Day Hyderabad mint, UNC condition, 800. World Food Day Kolkata mint, UNC condition, 800. Some 25 paces, 59 Kolkata, 200. 59 Mumbai, 200. 57 Kolkata, first 25 paise, this is 300. 57 Kolkata, AUNC, first 25 paise, 600. United Nation Mumbai mint, UNC condition, 700. Forestry Kolkata mint, UNC condition, 800. Mother's Health Mumbai mint, UNC condition, 1000. This is a book rate, 1000 rupees. Tamil Conference UNC condition, Mumbai mint, 800. food for future, Hyderabad Mint, UNC condition 800. World Food Day, Kolkata Mint, UNC condition 1500. World Food Day, BU condition, Hyderabad Mint 800. If you want to take both set, I can give it for 2000 rupees, 300 rupees discount it will be if you take a set. Mahatma Basveshwara, BU condition. This is a 51 semicircle rare coin. This is, you can see here, you can see the teeth gap in between the ears. This is the 51 semicircle, only for 1000 rupees, BU condition. BU condition, single mint, Tamil conference, rare coin, only for 1400. Mahatma Basveshwar, Mumbai Mint, BU condition, Black Beauty, only for 400. You can see mild rotation also there here. 1947 UNC condition, Lahore Mint, George 6, only for 1600. Agri Expo, Mumbai Mint, UNC, rare coin, only for 800. Security Edge variety, K for girl child, UNC condition for 500. Some 50 paces, 1971 Kolkata, 100, 70 Kolkata, 100, 69 Mumbai, 300, 68 Mumbai, 300, 67 Mumbai, 300, 64 Kolkata, 300. This is a single mint coin. 63 Mumbai, 200. 62 Kolkata, this is extra fine condition, this is for 200. 62 Mumbai for 200. F Lion, Moscow Mint, 2000. It's a X rare lion and it's in very reasonable rate. I am giving today extra fine condition. This is for only 1200 rupees. Check the lion, no dent damage, only for 1200 rupees. If someone wants to add. Mother's Health, Noida Mint, UNC condition 1800. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, UNC condition, normal UNC. This is only for 1600. There is a extra metal C on the Satyameva Jayate. You can see here error also there, only for 1600. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, A lion variety. This is X-rare lion varieties, Kolkata Mint, UNC condition. You can see this lion comes this way only. Even you get a BUNC also, always that type only for 2000 rupees. Mahatma Basveshwara, 51 semicircle plus Black Beauty, BU condition. Check it, only for 2500 rupees. Today I put everything in reasonable rate, lesser price. Black Beauty, UNC condition, and clear lion also, clear nose also, you can see. And this is a rare coin, very low mintage, only for 2000 rupees. Jagat Guru, Mumbai Mint, single mint coin, rare. 1989 Hyderabad Mint, Check the mint mark. Clear star mint mark you can see. This is only for 2100 rupees. Sorry, 2400 rupees. Extra fine, rare coin. 1954 Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, rare coin, 6000 rupees. Agri Expo, Kolkata Mint, Gem UNC condition. Actually, I don't write Gem UNC, it was already had written and kept. Kolkata Mint. Kolkata Mint is a rare coin. You can see lion also clear. Only for 1800 rupees. Tilak Key, FSS, BU condition, the rare coin. See the face, head, everything is clear here. And here you can see the clear lion. Copper nickel die used on this lion. Means copper nickel die this lion is, and front also. Both the side copper nickel die is used. That's why very clear. Only 2100 rupees. And Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Noida Mint. This is not first strike, I'll say early strike. See clear mint mark is there, dot. Very rare to get this type of coins. See the mint mark. After that I don't want you to say send me the picture and all. You can see here only everything clear. And one line like this one die crack also there. Here die crack is there. You can see this on the lion, in middle of the lion die crack is there. And see the edge, sharp edge. This is only for 2200 rupees. Even you buy this single coin also, I'll give free shipping with the 2200. Some lion varieties. This is a small lion, this is a rare lion, and this is a big lion. This is 1970 Mumbai Mint. This is for only 400 rupees. Deshbandhu Chitrandana Das, Noida Mint. This is a lion variety set. It's a UNC set. See the lion. Sorry, lion I'll show you. See this B lion. And this is C lion. See the condition, UNC condition this is. Only for 800 rupees UNC coins. This is also lion set, Arabindo, Kolkata Mint, UNC condition. C lion, check the lion, C lion, and this is a D lion. Easy to check. Check the chest. You can see hairy chest, and this is not so much hair is there. Easily you can find out from that. This is only for 700 rupees. BU set, this is lion variety, 91 Parliamentary Mumbai Mint single mint coin. See the lion here, and see this lion. See in the middle, lion is there on the lion chest, but here not there. This is like 3D, and this is like a flat lion and 3D lion. Only for 800 rupees. BU set, normal coin price I am giving it. This coin sells for 300, 350, 400, all different price people are selling, but I am giving it as a normal coin price only for 800. And lastly I have I have one more Basaveshwara set, BU condition, single mint. This also lion set. You can see this is a 3D lion. See, and this is like flat 2D and tall lion. This is 3D and little short smaller size lion. This is for only 300 rupees. Single coin sells only for normal coin 100 rupees each, but I am giving the lion set for only 300. Very reasonable price. This is 8 Noida mint, Daneshwar, AUNC to extra fine to AUNC type here, this condition. There are some extra fine, there are some AUNC also, and there is 50 paise, all different here. These are normal AUNC extra fine condition, and there are these 3 Shama Prasad Mukherjee, Bolu, 2 Bolus there. These are all coin for only 900 rupees. Only for 900 rupees. Otherwise this coin only sells for 300 to 400 if it is UNC. AUNC sells for 200 rupees this coin. And this condition only this coin sells at least 100 rupees. Very reasonable rate, 900 rupees for all. That's all for today, friends. Thank you for watching. See you again.